Welcome back, foodies. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, easy, tasty Greek finishing marinade you can put on all your meats or seafood. You're definitely going to need this recipe for my souvlaki recipe that's coming in the future, so make sure you try it out. And so let's get into the recipe. Alright guys, like I said, this is a super simple recipe to make. We're going to start with 1 cup of olive oil, extra virgin of course. And to that olive oil we are going to add a ½ a cup of lemon juice. Now let's grate in the zest of 1 lemon. Don't forget to get the stuff underneath. To this we're going to add 1 tablespoon of dried oregano and 1 teaspoon of salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. We're going to add about a teaspoon of mustard. This is going to help bind it all together because, as you know, water and olive oil, it doesn't mix. Now with the hand mixer we're going to blend it till it's all combined. Now let's give it a little taste. One of the best marinades I ever had. FOOD-DEE out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give the video a thumbs up. You can also help support me and my channel by joining my Patreon, where you'll get exclusive behind the scenes content, recipes, early access to my videos, and much more. Thank you again for watching.